What's going on? Alright, so I'm going to be showing you a really cool card trick. So here we go. I'm going to have you pick a random selection. They're all random. Okay, so we're going to pick out of this selection one card. So we picked one card, and now what we're going to do is we're going to take this card and we're just going to lay it on top. Simple cut. And get it lost in the deck. Okay, so now if I go ahead and give it a snap, you're going to see something crazy happen. Your card now should change into red, which you're thinking, wow, that's impossible. There is no way my card has changed into red now. So it actually has changed to red, because if I snap my finger and give it a flip, you could see how it changed directly back into red. Okay, so now I'm going to flip it back over, take this card right here, the card that you have, and just remember that you have this card right here. Don't lose the memory on this card. So I'm going to place it right here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to have you do the same thing. I'm going to repeat this. So I'm going to have you tell me when to stop. Stop anywhere. Doesn't matter. Stop. Okay, so I want you to remember this card right here, which is the Queen of Spades. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to get it lost in the deck. And now you're going to see something crazy happen. Watch. If I snap my finger again, it should appear to be red. It should reveal itself. Hold on, let me give it a snap. It should reveal itself. Okay, well, I am not seeing a red card in here. Just remember that you had the memory of this card right here, the red one. Wouldn't that be crazy if this card revealed itself and it was the card that you chose? The Queen of Spades. Thanks, guys. If you like this video, leave a like, subscribe, and comment below.